When you need emergency money, Max Cash Title Loans wants to set you up for success. That's why we created the Title Loan Calculator, a fast way to get all the information you need about your potential title loan. That way, with just a few clicks, you can have everything you need upfront to make the most informed financial decision for yourself. Here's how it works. Start by entering your desired loan amount, interest rate, payback terms, and the month you'd like to begin paying back your loan. From there, the calculator will generate your possible monthly payment, an estimated payback amount, a breakdown of how much in interest you could pay, as well as your estimated payoff date. Additionally, the Max Cash Title Loans calculator will generate an amortization schedule, breaking down your payments month by month so you know exactly where your money is going. Keep in mind that the calculator gives you an estimate, not a binding schedule. You always have the option to pay off your loan early or make larger payments each month with no penalties whatsoever. Ready to get started? Click the link below to go to the Max Cash Title Loans calculator and find out the details of your possible title loan. If you want to talk to a title loan expert, you can always call the Max Cash Title Loans team at 855-561-5626 7 days a week, or visit us online at maxcashtitleloans.com.